Hello everyone and welcome to online video tutorials. In this video we are going to see job date which is coming from ONGC. ONGC is a PSU and it is a very great company and a dream job for many of you to work in the ONGC if you are from core branches especially, and this is a opportunity which is not requiring any GATE score. That is one thing. This is permanent job and it is for both BTech, Diploma, and some posts are even for non-technical branches holder degree or diploma people. So this is a very good opportunity, and mostly like salary is 6 to 8 LPA, and you can expect something around 70,800 something per month. And this is the latest we can see in the month of December. As you can see, it is rightly mentioned here that click here for details. And window of application is only open from 17th of December to 8th of January. So before 8th of January, you have to apply on this link if you are eligible. So go by this video very carefully and see that if you are eligible. So please apply. Don't miss out this chance. And we'll be seeing all details of this. So if you click on this, click here details. So you'll be directed to some of this kind of page. So they have based on the functions of the plans, they have bifurcated the number of the vacancies, so you can calculate and get a rough figure like how many vacancies are available. So based on your expertise like material branch or instrumentation branch, mechanical maintenance, information technology, even HR, marketing, whatever your branch is there, you can apply. In most of the cases, there is a experience requirement, 1 year experience in some way, like a 5 year experience, some way there are more year of experience, but most of the cases you'll be getting the chance to work in an executive and junior executive post at 1 year experience itself. So this is very good opportunity if you are having experience. If you're not having experience, or if you're having experience, for both people, there is one more good opportunity which is coming from Unacademy. So let me tell you in brief about that. So Unacademy is giving you this opportunity through the portal. This is the job portal in front of you. You can see that this is very beautifully designed job portal for you, in which you will be getting the details of job position, company, apply link, prepare, date. So all in a single shot. By branch wise, you can see like a mechanical branch, you can see all details about the mechanical branch related jobs. Then electrical electronics, you can see electrical electronics related jobs like this. Electrical electronic related jobs are there. In civil, there is one good feature which I like about it is job of the day. Like every day you get some of the listings of the various news in the newspaper. In the same way, you can find the listings of the daily 10 job posting on the this platform, and all for core branches. So this is the a very good opportunity. You can save this link, subscribe this link. Basically, you can bookmark this link, and the link is given in the description. Please save that link so that you can daily visit and see the new openings in for it. There is also this option of the job by state wise. So all that in the single platform. And there is one more good thing that course are available for engineering branches. This is the placement protection course, which you can see. There is a separate link for that. Both links are given in the description. So what is benefit of having this course? So you don't have to do anything. You just have to fill this form, and by filling the form, you'll be getting like 110 companies, 1200 plus jobs, and you'll be getting a sure shot of the job. You will be getting courses like industry preparation courses, which is industrial driven. Like you need to know about the, if you are suppose in the civil engineering branch, so you need to know about the building materials, construction program management. If you are in the mechanical engineering, you need to know about the CAD and these kind of things. And if you're in the electrical engineering, so you need to know about these. So they are giving you a complete package in which they are giving you interview preparation, interviews, guidance, and they are giving you the industry based knowledge. And apart from this, you also will be getting the certificate of these. So more details are available. I'm not going in much of that detail, but please check out the page, and you'll be getting very surprised that all of this you can get in a single thing. And there is some fees of it available. The first one is completely free. For the second one, this link, there is some fees, but there is one good thing in that also. Like if you go by the link which I have provided in the description, so you'll be getting some more advantage here also, that you'll be getting some reduction in the fees also. So you just fill out this information, and then also choose the link which I have given in the description, so that you'll be getting a complete benefit of both the things. So coming back to the video, so I was talking about the ONGC this vacancy. So this vacancy is basically, let me show you some of the things which are like I think will be useful for most of you. So in every case, there are two things like executive for graduation post, junior executive, or junior supervisor for the same thing, but in the diploma case, right? So if you see that this is a government recognized diploma 1 year, and this salary they are offering. So this is for diploma, and for graduates in the chemical engineers in the chemical petrochemical, they are offering this CTC. In the similar manner, if you select some other branch, let's see mechanical related branch, material management. So there is this executive position. So you can simply click on apply, and few of the details will be asked. Just fill out those detail, and you can just apply and proceed for that. And if you see polymer operation, there electrical maintenance also is there. As few of the posts like you see human resource post, so there will be more experience here, but most of the engineering related posts, so there is a little 1 year of experience. So if you or your friends are having that experience, so you can suggest them this is a very good opportunity for them. And if you want to apply on this, so 8th of January is the last day. Before that, apply, and please check out these two links also, which is given in the description. So this is it for this video. In the next one, thank you, have a nice day.